name is Eman Ahmed, and today I will be telling you about the simple pendulum. This is a simple pendulum that I have drawn, and this is the bob of the pendulum. When it is now, according to the law of conservation of energy, when the bob is released from a certain point, it will keep on oscillating without increasing or decreasing its amplitude. Now, if I release it from here, when the pendulum completes a one single oscillation, the bob will come at this exact point. It will not increase or decrease. That would be against the law. These 2 points that are the highest, upon these points the potential energy is maximum and kinetic is always the minimum. But over here, when the pendulum is straight, the kinetic energy will be maximum and potential will be minimum. The reason potential is minimum instead of 0 is because the pendulum, the bob of the pendulum, it still has some height from the ground. Now, I will show you an experiment that I will perform right now according to this pendulum. Now here I have a pendulum and a wooden block to show you the experiment. Now I told you that in an ideal condition, the pendulum will keep on oscillating continuously. It won't decrease or increase in amplitude. But if I leave the pendulum, leave the bob right from the wooden block without any pressure, any force, trying to leave it at initial 0 velocity, when the pendulum re-oscillates, it doesn't touch the wooden block. And that is the question, why doesn't it touch? Why doesn't it go according to the ideal conditions? But if I apply some force, it comes back and touches it. So the reason because of this is tension and strain, force of gravity, air resistance, heat loss, and numerous other reasons. That was the experiment, and I hope you all understand it.